Are you looking for a party popper for New Year's Eve? Then keep watching. You will need clear plastic cups, stickers, tape, scissors, balloons and pom-poms. First, take your plastic cup and carefully cut a hole in the bottom. You will need to ask an adult to do this part for you. Next, take your balloon and cut off the end of your balloon using a pair of scissors. Stretch the balloon over the bottom of your plastic cup, and once it is in place, secure it using some tape. You can then decorate the party poppers using some stickers. Then fill up your party poppers with some pom-poms. Your party poppers are now ready. Pull the balloon back and then release to fire your pom-poms across the room. You can then pick up the pom-poms and fire these again and again.